Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook pumpkin rice Jamaican style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this flavorful dish. You will need 1.5 cups of long grain rice, rinsed well. Grab about 1 pound of fresh pumpkin, diced into small, even pieces. Also, have 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1/2-inch piece of ginger ready. Don't forget 1 cup of coconut milk, about 2 cups of vegetable broth, and your favorite Jamaican seasonings, including 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped for cooking. Begin by carefully peeling and dicing your 1 pound of pumpkin into small 1/2-inch cubes. Next, finely chop the small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and your 1/2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger to the hot oil, sautéing them gently for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant and softened. With the aromatics fragrant, it is time to add the diced pumpkin to the pot. Stir the pumpkin pieces in, cooking them for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften slightly. Next, add your 1.5 cups of rinsed long grain rice, stirring to coat each grain with the seasoned oil. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and then add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. After seasoning, bring the mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. Once it is bubbling vigorously, immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly with a well-fitting lid and allow it to simmer undisturbed for approximately 20 minutes. It is crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as the trapped steam helps cook the rice perfectly. Once the cooking time is complete, remove from heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then gently fluff the delicious pumpkin rice with a fork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.